Hey everybody, what's up? This is Papa Bale. Welcome to the channel. So what I did here is I drew, kind of like an example. The circuit here is like a mirror image of each other. Two batteries, two transistors, two coils, bifilar, 20 and 30 gauge. And then I just summed this whole thing up in this right here. So this equals this when we move it over to where we position. And this is the legend for all that stuff in there. So you want to know what something is. And if it's just a line, then it's just a wire or a connection. Usually anything that is anything is thicker than a line, for sure. Or it has, indicators like a plus and a minus. And then you got your diode, transistor, coil. And then we go over here where you should position them on your rotor in the motor. So you got your coils at 90 degrees. You got your reed switch at 180 degrees from the coil you wanted to fire. Basic positioning and connections. So that's my drawing of how to do this self-charging thing. And the only thing is that I've run it for a while, and although the battery does go down significantly slower, it still goes down. So I mean, like, it is charging, self-charging, but it is not, it spends more energy than it generates. And so I was thinking that it's my coils, because all my coils are experimental. They're not remakes. None of them are. So, but in order to make this thing work, I think I need to remake it. Because something's not quite right where it's not generating enough. But I'm going to take it into the other room and show you how I've switched things up. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have this for this coil, and I have that for that coil. And I want to show you a few interesting things that I found out. All right, so we're going to turn it on to SSG mode because that's what it says to do. All right, now we're going to turn on the power to that one over there. And oh, the light blew out. That's not good. Or, hold on just a second. All right, there we go. That's a problem. Alrighty then. I wonder what that was, because the batteries are still functioning. There's no thermal. Huh. It's weird. Okay. Well, it worked for him, but something's got to be crossed. That's what the problem is. So what I'm going to do is, in light of this, I'm going to take everything apart and I'm going to start moving into my other space. Yeah, so that's awesome. But the battery has been slowly being consumed anyway. The power's been being consumed regardless of whether or not I'm charging it. And we just saw all that smoke, so I don't even know. Wow, what a mess. But we're leveling out here at about 2. Yeah, that's terrible. Okay, but I tell you what, man, this thing was working like a charm. And I don't know exactly what happened. That's probably exactly what I said. Wire got crossed somewhere. It was working really good with 2 of them on there, but there was like some differences I wanted to show you for each mode. But I've been like using this all day and we're still above 12 volts, but it's been slowly going down. So yeah, I'm gonna have to revamp here. Shouldn't take too long actually, but I might need to like sleep before I do this because it's gonna be it's gonna be a lot, just a big project. Which one was that? Smoke. Oh, dude. Look at this just this catastrophe right here. Look at this mess. Can't believe myself. Unbelievable. But here, let's look at this. I don't know what the hell just happened because it worked. Like, as I was drawing that schematic of the last one that I built, it was working. And then now it's like not. All right, so there's the one. And it works pretty well. So that's generator mode. Sweet. That's awesome. But anyway, I gotta like redo all this stuff, man. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna have a dual SG thing going on. It works kind of quasi well, like not very well, but I mean, the two generator circuits work well together. But it is kind of power hungry in that phase. All right, yeah. Take a good look, last look at the mess. We're gonna go make a new mess somewhere else. Thank you very much. Peace out. Have a good day. Please subscribe. Bye now.